Welcome to SAG Medicare. My name is Richard. In today's session, we will be discussing about Evox 5-liter oxygen concentrator and the model is 5S. So without any further delay, let's move on to how this device works and along with what are the accessories we have with oxygen concentrator. This Evox oxygen concentrator comes up with accessories like you will get a nebulizer mask, you will get a nasal cannula, a warranty card. This device has warranty for 3 years, a humidifier bottle, and inside this we have user manual, extra filter and a humidifier connecting tube. Now let's move on to the device. In this device you can find a power on off button, a fuse. On power on off button top side you can find fuse, and here we have a display. On top of the display you can find several indicators like power indicator, and this is normal indicator, low oxygen indicator and service repair indicator. Below the display you can find options like oxygen, nebulize, timer, increase, timer, decrease. These are all not buttons, you just touch means it's okay, it will just go on to the mode. And here you can find oxygen outlet and nebulizer outlet. Here we have a chamber for humidifier. You can just open this humidifier chamber, and inside you can find a place for keeping the humidifier bottle. So while using oxygen concentrator, you can place a humidifier bottle here and you can connect to the oxygen concentrator you can use. Otherwise, you can just put this back and you can close this. And here we have a flow meter. As you can see in the flow meter, they are indicated plus and minus. If you rotate on the plus side, the flow will increase, and in minus side, the flow will decrease. And on the back side of the oxygen concentrator, you can find here is our filter area. You need to open this like this. In here you can find filter, black filter. In this filter you need to clean once a week or twice a week with a brush or any cloth without not using any water. And here you can find our another filter. This filter you can, based on your use, you can replace 6 months once or 1 year once. Okay, now let's see how this device works and what are the settings and what are the specification of the device. First, to power on the device, you need to connect the power cord to the power source. After that, you switch on. After that, in the oxygen concentrator, you can on the power button. Now you can see the oxygen concentrator is on. If the indication like oxygen is shown, means the oxygen concentrator is running with oxygen. So you can increase the flow rate to 5 liter and decrease the flow rate. So if you want to turn off the oxygen, just hold here. Now the oxygen is turned off. You want to on. While you on, you can find the indicator near oxygen. Now the oxygen is coming. If you want to use nebulizer, just press nebulizer. Now you can see a nebulizer option came and nebulizer is coming. So again, to off this, you can off this nebulizer and normal oxygen will come. If you want to turn off the oxygen, just press this. And here you can increase the timer and decrease the timer. Like you can increase and decrease the timer here. As well, we can see how to connect the humidifier chamber. Just pull this tube and you can place your humidifier bottle here. Before placing, you can see there is a maximum line indicator in the humidifier bottle. You should fill with purified water below the maximum level. So instead of purified water, if you use any other tap water or other waters, you can find within days you can find the mineral particles will be stored here and it will block the tube and it will cause direct damage to the machine. So it's better to use purified water. You just place your humidifier bottle here and you can take the humidifier connecting tube. One end you can place on top of the humidifier and the another end to the oxygen outlet. After placing this, you can take your nasal cannula and you can see here is a bulb side. This big side you need to fix it to this humidifier outlet, and you can find two small tubes. This you can attach it to your nasal. So again, to remove the humidifier bottle, you just take this humidifier bottle and remove the connecting tubes, and you can place this inside and you can close the humidifier bottle chamber. Now to turn off the device, you can just switch off the device. After switching off, switch off the power source and remove the power cord. And always use stabilizer for running oxygen concentrator. So far in this session, we have seen how to operate an oxygen concentrator and what are the accessories comes with oxygen concentrator and how to connect these accessories and how to set up an oxygen concentrator. Make sure you follow all these instructions for the oxygen concentrator, and also there will be several instructions in the oxygen concentrator. You can read it once for your use, and always read user manual first, and after that you can use an oxygen concentrator. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video.